Hi there! Trip summary time report is what we are going to discuss in this video. So let's move to the report. Trip summary time. Using this report, you can analyze the overall performance of the vehicle by dividing the total trip time into smaller intervals and then analyzing the performance of vehicle over each smaller interval. So now you can get to know when and where the vehicle excelled and when it lagged. Let's provide the input parameters. Select a vehicle, time range, and an interval. The most common use case is to see the vehicle details on daily basis. So let's take it to be 24 hours. Generate the report. Now this total duration, the time duration, is divided into smaller intervals of 24 hours each, and movement of vehicle in these intervals is displayed in the report. Let's understand the report. In the first 24 hours, whose start date and time and end date and time are specified here, vehicle 4548 travelled a total distance of 45.31 kilometers. The nearest site at the end of this interval was Texport Creations, and the location nearest to the vehicle at the end of this interval was this one, that is Bangalore, Karnataka. During this interval, vehicle was in motion for 9 hours and 32 minutes. Talking about this figure, it is the fraction of total time vehicle was moving in person. Do you wish to check out the exact location of the vehicle at the end of the interval? Then click on view. This was the exact location of the vehicle at the end of the interval. You can even check out the exact path traveled by the vehicle in a given interval. To do so, just click on the period link. This is the path traversed by the vehicle in interval 13. The link displays the full journey of the vehicle in the selected time period. The last row summarizes the whole trip. Hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you.